PPP was a loan that was forgiven later, and you had to disclose what you're using the money for in order to be forgiven. So ERC is forgiven the day they get it, and they can use it for whatever they want because they've already received it, and there's no forgiven piece that they're waiting for or have to fill out at a later time.
Hi everybody, Jose Luis Morales here. Welcome back to another episode of the Morales Group Show. Today we have a repeat guest. His name is Josh Zieglowsky. He's one of the co-founders of a company called ERC Specialist, and today he is to be going over the ERC program, and he is going to be letting us know if you receive the ERC credit, if you have to pay back that money, and if you don't have to pay that money back, what can you spend that money on? Now, before we get started, if you want to see if you qualify and how much you qualify for approximately, make sure to visit erchelpnow.com. Once again, that is erchelpnow.com. Welcome back to the show, Josh. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Doing well. Thank you for being back. So I think the big question that a lot of people are asking, or some people are a little bit skeptical, they're like, well, if I receive the ERC credit, do I actually have to pay that money back?
No, it's an overpayment from the IRS. And so it doesn't have to be paid back. The money you receive, you definitely want to tell your tax professional about it, because there is ways that you won't even pay taxes on it, but you need definitely to talk to them, your tax professional. In addition to, on our website, when you go to ERCspecialist.com, you scroll all the way to the bottom to the frequently asked questions. We kind of go through that on what you exactly would want to tell your tax professional as well. But because, we're not licensed professionals, we can't really give that type of advice.
Now, is there restrictions on what you can use the money for? Like if I receive like $100,000, do I have to reinvest it back into the business, or is that different because it was an overpayment?
No, you can do it where use it for whatever you want. In other words, PPP was a loan that was forgiven later, and you had to disclose what you're using the money for in order to be forgiven, right? So ERC is forgiven the day they get it, and they can use it for whatever they want because they've already received it, and there's no forgiven piece that they're waiting for or have to fill out at a later time.
Sounds great. Great. Okay, good. Anything else on this topic, Josh?
No, I would just say, like I said, there is ways to not pay taxes on it, but you definitely want to talk to your tax professional on that.
Sounds great. Okay, so for all of our viewers out there, if you're interested in seeing if you qualify and approximately how much you qualify for, make sure to visit erchelpnow.com. Once again, that is erchelpnow.com. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you feel that this video will be helpful to somebody else, make sure to hit that share button. Thank you guys so much. And thank you, Josh, for being on the show again.
My pleasure. Thank you.